friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll show you an egg wash recipe. So to make egg wash to brush over your pies and pastries, it's super easy. All you need is 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of cold water. So here we go. I'm going to crack 1 egg in a bowl, and we'll add 1 tablespoon of water. And now just whisk it together. And this is all there is to it. The egg wash is ready. So it's super simple. I just had a lot of people asking me, Melanie, how do you make egg wash? And this is how. And you would use a pastry brush. So if you have a pie crust or any kind of pastry, you like the tops to be shiny. It's also great for homemade bread before baking. Just use a pastry brush and brush your baked goods and bake. And it's going to have a nice shiny upper crust. So that's what egg wash is for. Hope you enjoyed this easy recipe. For other easy recipes, please check out my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!